So how do you delete a trash on the iPad? Let's talk about it. Let me explain how it works. If it's your first time here on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss explanations and tutorials like this one. So trash, or the recycle bin or trash can, whatever you want to call it, is like a place within many apps on the iPad. For example, you are browsing your files using the Files app, which is the built-in way to do it, and you come across something like a PDF document or whatever. You are going to hold it down on it and delete it. So you click on the trash delete button, but the file hasn't disappeared from the iPad fully just yet, because it's instead being moved to the recently deleted folder. In the left panel, part of the locations, we have the recently deleted indicated by the trash icon, so you can get inside and delete stuff from here. So, that is how you can delete the trash on the iPad, but specifically for the Files app. Of course, as I said, there are more apps where it works similarly. Another great example is the Photos app, where you can as well delete things like videos or photos, but they are not going to be good and gone for good. They are still going to be for 30 days part of the recently deleted, so you can as well go to the collections and try to find the recently deleted folder, and you can empty the trash for Photos app as well. And yeah, as I say, it also applies to like the Journal app or the Notes app, the reminders, and so on. Basically, it's like implemented into the iOS and iPadOS as such. So that's kind of how you can do this. If there is something else which you had in mind and I did not cover it, let me know about that below in the comments. It is very likely I'm going to make an updated video about it if that's something which I haven't covered already. But yeah, stay tuned for more so you don't miss it, and I'll hopefully get to see you later in the next videos as well.